Yun po, kapon vlog video. Ayun, December 21, 25, last tutuloy tayo na 25 vlogs. Today, linggo, 4 days. Ano na yan? Ang Pasig City. Yan, Pasig City. Ito na ngayon. Baga tayo yan, Pasig City, Lake, Dalagas, Peso tayo, Lady Longkat, the one, Pasig, Road, ni, Owekat, yan, ang Pasig City, all weekend, and this year, and then City Wall, oh my God, and yeah, because Soto, yan, because Soto, ang Pasig City, super ganda, with all they can time you on the world. They get all on the one diet on you super Pasig City. Ayan, anda. Wala tapos, ano na boss, the Pasig City. Thank you, bye-bye. Thanks for watching.